Students, today we have come back again to our class of English 1. We will start a new chapter, the Red Bud Tree, chapter number 5. Okay, so would you like to be a tree? Why or why not? If someday you get the chance of become a tree, would you like to become a tree? You have to say why or why not, reason you have to give. And also which tree would you like to be and why. This much you will write in your copy. Okay, now let's start the chapter. Once upon a time, when King Brahmadatta ruled the city of Varanasi, he had 4 princes. The young princes had grown up hearing many wonderful stories about a beautiful tree known as the Red Bud Tree. They had never seen the bud tree and wished to be the first ones to see it. Okay. So once upon a time, when King Brahmadatta, what was the name of the king? Brahmadatta, he ruled the city of Varanasi. He had 4 princes, okay? He had 4 princes. The princes, all the 4 princes, they have heard, they grew up hearing the story about a beautiful red bud tree, but they have never seen the tree. And they wish that they would see the tree, means they would first go and see the tree. One day the eldest prince means the bigger among all the 4, asks the king's charioteer means one who drives the chariot, okay? See this driver, this is the charioteer, this person, to take him deep into the forest where this tree grew. The eldest prince asks the charioteer to take him to deep inside the forest where that particular red bud tree grew. It was still early spring, and the tree was standing as a bare stump of wood in the forest without any leaves or buds. It was springtime, beginning of the springtime, and the tree was, when he went to see the tree, he saw that it was bare stump, bare means not covered with leaves or anything, grass, stump means like this wood. So it was just like a bare, like without any leaves and trees, just a single piece of wood standing there. The prince did not understand why it was called the red bud tree and returned to the palace. The king did not understand why it was called red bud tree, and then he returned to the palace because he saw that the tree was completely bare and it was like a piece of wood. Sometime later in spring, the next son requested the king's charioteer to take him to the red bud tree. The tree was covered with red buds and looked very beautiful. When the next son went in between the spring, when spring season was prevailing, he went and saw the tree was covered with red buds and it looked very beautiful. The third son went into the woods just after the springtime. He went into the woods just after the springtime. Now the tree did not have any red buds and was covered with lush green leaves. Okay. So now when after the springtime the third son went, he saw that the tree was not covered with red buds, rather it was covered with some healthy green leaves. He also could see no reason for calling it a red bud tree. The sons also thought why it was called a red bud tree. He didn't find any reason. The youngest prince also decided to go and have a look at the famous red bud tree. By this time the tree was covered with bean pods. When the youngest, means the 4th son, when he decided to go and see the red bud tree, but by that time it was covered with bean pods. Bean pods mean part of a plant from which flowers bloom. Okay. When he came back from the forest, he ran into the garden where his brothers were playing and told them with much excitement, "I saw the red bud tree." Now, when he came back from the forest, he ran into the garden where his brothers were playing and he started telling that, "I have seen the red bud tree." His brother was asking, "So, what is special about it?" said the eldest prince. Means the bigger brother asked, "Well, it's good you saw the red bud tree, but what is there special about it?" It is nothing but a dead stump of wood, he added. The first prince was telling that it is nothing but a dead log of wood. "What makes you say that?" said the second son. "When I went in the woods, it was covered with hundreds of beautiful red buds." Now the second son was telling, "You are saying this, but what makes you say this? Because when I went, it was covered with beautiful hundreds of red buds." The third prince said, "I have also seen the red bud tree. It is not a dead stump. It is also not covered with red buds. It looks like ordinary tree covered with green leaves." When the third prince said that, "What are you saying? When I went, it was neither a bare stump nor it was covered with red buds, but it was just like ordinary other trees covered with green leaves." The youngest prince said with confidence, "Brothers, all of you are mistaken." Mistaken means all of you are doing mistake. "I have just seen the tree and I can say for sure that it is now covered with little bean pods." The youngest son was telling that, "Brothers, all of you are doing mistake. Just now I have seen that tree and now it is covered with little green pods." The princess thought that the red bud tree was some mystical tree and appeared in different forms before different people. Mystical means magical, okay? So the princesses, they thought that the red bud tree was something magical and it appeared in different forms in front of different people. The king heard their conversation about the red bud tree. When they stopped talking, he came out and said, Now the king was hearing everything, and when they stopped talking, he came out and said, "My dear sons, all four of you have seen the same tree, but each of you saw it in a different time of the year." The princess understood what the matter was and laughed at their childishness. So the king was telling that, "My dear son, all of you have seen the same tree, but at different time of the year you have seen the tree in 4 seasons. That is why it looked in 4 ways it came before you." So the princess now understood this and laughed at themselves for their foolishness. Okay, that means, see, a tree is not the same the whole year. There are 4 seasons. What are the 4 seasons? Do you know? Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Yes, at 4 seasons the tree appears in 4 different forms. Okay, so this was the thing that the four brothers, they saw the tree in 4 different seasons. That is why it appeared different to them. The Jataka tales. This story is taken from the Jataka tales. The Jataka tales are stories of Lord Buddha. These stories have morals. These stories have some morals. Okay, some of the tales are the monkey's heart and the talkative tortoise. This you learn. Okay, these are about the Jataka tales. So this let us to take the correct pictures to answer correctly. Which tree did the eldest son see in the forest? Bare or covered with green leaves? Eldest, the first son? Yes, bare. Which tree did the second prince see in the forest? Covered with green pods. No, redbud tree. It's redbud tree. So today up to this much you will learn all the meanings also. All the meanings you have to learn from the book. This much you can learn. Okay, thank you. Bye bye students.